Hello everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I am Sarah.
And I am Tom. Hello, everyone.
Tom, how are you today?
I am good, Sarah. A little sleepy.
Sleepy? Why, Tom?
I woke up very early today. 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. That is very early.
Yes. My cat woke me up.
Your cat?
Yes. She was hungry. Very hungry. She was not happy.
A hungry cat is a loud cat.
Very loud. But now, I am here. I am happy.
Good. Tom, are you ready for today?
Yes. What is our topic today, Sarah?
Today we are talking about daily life and routines.
Daily life? Like my normal day?
Exactly. Your normal day. What you do every morning, every afternoon, every evening.
Oh, like wake up, eat, work, sleep.
Yes, exactly like that. Simple, everyday actions.
That sounds easy.
It is easy, Tom, and very useful. We use these words every single day.
Every single day. Okay, I like this topic.
Before we start, a small request. If you enjoy our podcast, please click the like button. Please subscribe to our channel. And share this with a friend who is learning English. Thank you so much. We love our listeners.
Yes. Thank you, everyone. Okay, Sarah, let's start.
Okay, so Tom, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. Usually, but today, 5 o'clock, because of my cat.
Poor Tom. So, wake up is our first phrase. Wake up.
Wake up.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. Very simple. Very useful.
I wake up at 5 o'clock today, because of my cat.
Perfect sentence, Tom. Now listeners, you try. What time do you wake up? Say it out loud. I wake up at...
Say your time. Don't be shy.
Good. Now after wake up, what do you do?
I go to the bathroom. I wash my face.
Exactly. Wash your face. Brush your teeth.
Brush my teeth. I always forget to say, brush my teeth.
Tom.
I do brush them. I just forget to say it.
Okay, good. So our morning routine words are wake up, wash your face, brush your teeth, get dressed.
Get dressed. That means put on clothes?
Yes, put on your clothes. Get dressed.
I get dressed every day. Sometimes, slowly.
Slowly is okay, Tom. Now, afternoon. What do you do in the afternoon, Tom?
I eat lunch. I work. Sometimes I drink coffee. Many coffees, actually.
Haha, many coffees, Tom. Eat lunch is very important. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock.
I eat lunch and I drink coffee. Coffee is very important.
For Tom, coffee is life.
Coffee is not just a drink, Sarah. Coffee is a friend.
Haha, okay, Tom. So, afternoon words. Eat lunch. Go to work. Come home. Make coffee.
Make coffee. My favorite activity.
And evening, Tom. What do you do in the evening?
I eat dinner. I watch TV. I talk to my family. Then I sleep.
Perfect. Go to sleep. Or we say go to bed.
Go to bed. Not go to sleep?
Both are correct, Tom. Go to sleep. Go to bed. Same meaning.
Oh, two ways to say one thing. English is interesting.
Yes. So our full daily routine. Morning wake up. Wash face. Brush teeth. Get dressed. Eat breakfast. Afternoon. Eat lunch. Go to work. Drink coffee.
Drink many coffees. Haha.
Hey, hey. Evening, come home. Eat dinner. Relax. Go to bed.
That is my whole day in English.
Exactly, Tom. Now listeners, repeat after us, okay? I wake up in the morning.
I wake up in the morning.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I go to bed at night.
I go to bed at night. Listeners, did you say it? Say it again. One more time.
Practice makes perfect, everyone.
Or as Sarah says, comfortable, not perfect.
Yes, comfortable, not perfect. Say it every day.
Okay, Sarah, review time. Morning words, wake up, wash face, brush teeth, get dressed.
And eat breakfast.
Eat breakfast. Sorry, breakfast. Afternoon. Eat lunch. Go to work. Drink coffee. Many coffees.
Haha. And evening?
Evening. Come home. Eat dinner. Relax. Go to bed.
Perfect, Tom. You remembered everything.
I am learning, Sarah. Slowly, but surely.
Slowly but surely is perfect. Now, listeners, we have a question for you.
Yes. Tell us in the comments below.
What is your favorite part of your daily routine?
Mine is coffee time. Obviously. Haha.
Hehe, tell us your answer below. We love reading your comments.
We really do.
Well, that is all for today, everyone. Thank you so much for listening.
Yes, thank you. You are amazing listeners.
Please subscribe if you have not already, and share this with one friend who wants to learn English.
One friend. Just one. You can do that.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye, everyone. And remember,